Wendy from Sapphire Wigs, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here as well as little bell so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Also, I do want to say that I'm going to be doing something very new with most of my wig reviews, that I'm actually going to be giving away the very wig that I am reviewing because I appreciate each and every single one of you so very much. So it's my way of saying thank you and giving everyone the opportunity to win something fun, right? So in order for you to win this wig, and of course other wigs, I'll have a secret emoji that you will put down in the description box down below. And of course I will announce the winner a week after the video is posted. And of course all those details to win it is all down below, of course. But let's just get into this wig as I am really excited to showcase this girl. So again, this wig is from Sapphire Wigs and she is this gorgeous blonde tone. It's almost really hard to see how fabulous this wig is. She's actually very close to my platinum blonde that I have right here. And actually what I really like about this, and I don't know if I can zoom in enough for you to see, but she does have these very light gradations of color. So every strand is not the same color and has some definite variation in it, and I just absolutely love it. And then of course I am obsessed with these gorgeous waves right here that I cannot wait to brush out. I feel it's gonna be like a body wave dream right here. And then as for the construction of the wig, she has gorgeous light lace right here, and she also has your standard 2.5 inch parting right there. And then she also has a comb right in the middle right here. She does not have a comb in the back. She has a medium wig cap, so if you require a large head friendly wig, she would work for you. So exciting. This wig also comes with 2 wig caps, so as soon as she arrives, you are ready to go and rock her out. But I'll of course be using a nude wig cap that I got from Amazon. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. I really like these wig caps. All right, I put my wigs on front to back. Wow, here she is, really already loving her. I'm already looking at this hairline and it looks amazing. And what I'm liking, I'm already noticing, I feel like it's gonna do one of those flips versus like a serious parting. All right, so let's take a look at this hairline. She actually looks really good. And of course, since she does have the light hair, she's just like blending in, just like with my regular hair. She looks so good, like right up here in the front. I'm actually really impressed with that. And of course, same on the sides. So let's cut the lace off and see what we're really working with. All right, looking amazing, but she's gonna look even better once we take our wig brush and lightly brush her out. Okay, here she is. Really loving these soft curls right here. Definitely almost giving me like a Veronica Lake kind of feeling. Really loving it for her because her part doesn't really seem like it's very fixated for this one, but let's just see. And definitely a yes with this. Definitely loving the volume, the little pop up here. This is definitely a great look right here. Oh, and then also for the length, it doesn't list how long she is, but I would gather around 22 inches or so, maybe 22. She's perfect chest length for me. I'm 5'7". All right, so let's move her on this side. Okay, so here she is on the right eyebrow. I definitely feel like I'm feeling her a little bit more on the left eyebrow, but she is kind of giving this kind of retro kind of front right here, and then these waves just kind of cascade over the face, which is definitely doable, but I think I definitely like it on the other side. What do you guys think? All right, so let's just switch her again real quickly. All right, so I decided to put her down the middle just so I could see if it would work, and it does. Naturally, like I mentioned, I would just take my flat iron and just flatten this out right here, but this is definitely a look. definitely down with it. I forgot to mention, of course, earlier about her layers. She does have some really great layers, so it isn't all one length right here. So you can see, again, this wig is from Sapphire Wigs right here. And for the wig giveaway, of course, don't forget to add this emoji down below for you to win this exact wig. All the rules and regulations are down below. So let me know if you have this wig or if you have a favorite blondie wig. I would love to know and see you in your wigs. So reach out to me on Instagram. That is a great way for you to send me pictures of you in your gorgeous wigs and makeup and living your best life possible. Because remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. And if you feel fabulous in this gorgeous blonde body wave wig, wear it. Wear it, love it, and own it. I want to thank you, and we will see you soon.